Stop by and take a look at the 2010 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.